Hi there, I'm Shahi and welcome to Amusing English. Today we're going to have a look at an idiom. The idiom is, wait for it, it is to dish the dirt on someone. This means to spread gossip about them, to talk about them without their knowledge, and to say bad things about them. Okay. So who does this? Lots of magazines do it, and people in our life probably do it also, because if they do it behind our back, we don't really know. So let's look at the examples. Women's magazines always dish the dirt on celebrities. Okay, they always talk about all these crazy things that may or may not be true. His friends at work always told him their secrets, but he never dished the dirt on them. So he didn't say bad things about them. He didn't gossip about them, basically. That's what it means. I know people always like to dish the dirt on other people so they can feel important. They can feel good about themselves because they want to destroy the other person's life. Out of jealousy, maybe. It can be anything. But I think that when we meet people online, not everybody is good. Some people, many people, they can pretend to be nice to us because they want something from us. So I think really you shouldn't really be telling anybody anything. For very young people, I think they can easily think, oh, this person cares for me, this person likes me, and it becomes something believable in their mind, and they start to tell them everything. Start to tell them about their family and everything. And this is a very bad thing to do. So for young people, I would advise them to keep it shut. This means to keep it closed, to not say anything. And to keep themselves safe. This way nobody will spread rumors about them. This way nobody will misuse the information or misuse it against them. To misuse information means to use it in a incorrect way, in a bad way. Okay then, Shahi, let's go now. Okay, that's the end of the video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with somebody. They might like it. Also, don't forget to subscribe for some more fun videos from Amusing English. Until then, take care. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. And bye for now from Kat and me.